The Keystone Cougar name is synonymous with luxury and quality. And this 368 MBI, which is one of their premium fifth wheels, checks all the boxes. When you're talking about comfort, style, beauty, and elegance, you get everything that Keystone's known for. You get the Dynaspan flooring right here, which is that polypropylene laminated fiberglass, which helps with moisture resistance. The 5-side aluminum superstructure, all the great insulation that gives us a temperature rating of 0 to 100 degrees in a coach that's 39 feet 4 inches, 11,800 pounds dry. Is built for that active couple, but has enough room for a family if you need it. I mean, you could easily sleep 6, 8, or more inside this coach. And if you notice, I'm seated right here in the rear of the 368 MBI, dominated by a large panoramic window and side windows. Gives me great breeze here, wonderful light, decorative wood balances and side skirting with the privacy curtains. And if you need to make this a sleeping space, you got the hide-a-bed right in there. Could easily fit 2 adults. And if it's family that you like, you know, because you do have a bunk up top, but if it's family that you like, you could put them there because they got the oversized TV and the InnoFlame fireplace right here. Over 4,700 BTUs of heat, multiple flame settings, multiple light settings, got a little electric blower, and it does a really good job of knocking the chill off the air. So if you're parked at the mountains, the beach, or that fall night, you got the air coming in, that, and a blanket, Uncle Chris is out for the night. But with this driftwood decor, you're gonna see a good mix of rustic and modern appearances. Just take a look at the light on the dark that we have in that wood slide here with the decorative beveled edges on my cabinetry and the brushed nickel pulls that are strut supported, so you don't have to worry about, you know, holding them up while you're loading stuff in, and hideaway hinges, which is a calling card of a really good manufacturer. You also have hideaway storage behind the TV too. So if you got the good bourbon and the good Girl Scout cookies, bam, Lale can't get them then. Entertainment center as well as more storage. And since we do have opposing slides in the 368 MBI, you open up the space for having an island kitchen. Beautiful, solid, gray, solid surface countertop on this with, once again, that beveled edge and rounded. So if the little ones are running around, they're not going to hurt themselves with sharp corners. And more importantly, since it's solid surface, you don't have T-mold. But you do have the 50/50 undermounted oversized sink, high-rise faucet with sprayer, drying rack, and cutting board, complete with your setup in the 368 MBI. Plenty of storage over here on the island as well. Pull-out drawers with good deep storage, solid wood construction on the full extension ball bearing drives, and a flush mounted 3-burner cooktop to give me some more prep space when I'm in here whipping up those master meals. Spice racks, storage, large fridge, oversized residential style hair, refrigerator, and freezer combo. This 4-door, you have over 14 cubic feet of space inside this beauty. Right beside the fridge, we have even more space with the cabinets that are here and the ones down below. Hideaway hinges, beautiful decorative beveled edges in there, all flowing and going with that quality in construction as well as quality in style you're gonna get with the Keystone Cougar. Everything from the wood inlay here that's rustic with those LED sconces to the space and the maximizing usage of the space. Right over here in our campsite slide, that's where you'll see we got the booth dinette, which is a dream dinette. There's no legs there, reduces down into a sleeper, plus you got space underneath for storage, but those pillow tops continue with those Allure furniture theater seats right there. Let me tell you, cup holders, massage, heat, kick those back, let that window up. People say that you can't use that as a sleeping space, but if you've gone hiking all day, fishing, hunting, or whatever, you come back, got the fireplace on, the game's on, you kick that out and put the heat and massage on, you're sleeping in it. But if you're like me and the in-laws always want to show up when you're camping in your nice camper, you don't really want them there, but you got to pretend like you want them there. I'm sorry, I'm just being honest with you. Then the 368 MBI is perfect because you got the in-law suite. The mid bunk of the 368 MBI really does mix in the best of both worlds. You got a rear living, front master, but you also get a bunk. In here, great office space as well as kids game room. You got storage space, you got entertainment room, and once again, you have one of those hide-a-bed sofas nestled in a slide with its own window that could pull out and easily sleep 2 adults. Right up above it is the bunk. So what do you say we go take a look at it? As we make our way up to the bunk, I want to point something out. Right here across from the main entry point is what I like to call the mini mudroom. You got a pegboard if you want to put notes or just put stuff there, key hooks as well as coat hooks, and a little space down there. So if you got an umbrella, magazines, whatever, you can put it there. Yes, I'll put magazines by the door because I want you to read stuff and not talk to me. Hideaway ladder right here leading into the bunk over the mid-bunk room. 800-pound capacity on this one too. Could easily get 2 adults up here. Plus you got some nice cubby storage back there. And once again, a window with its own privacy shade and even a vent and a fan just in case it gets a little bit musty. Now with Keystone, the Cougars, you get the Generation 3 in-command command panel. Now this is where you can come to see everything that you would with the regular command panel on your RVs. Fresh tank, black tank, cut on the water heater, cut on the water pumps. You also have the heated pads on your tanks on this one, but you can control a lot of that stuff, including the HVAC and the slides from the app that comes on your cell phone. You get this, scan it, bada bing, bada boom. Got it right there. And as far as your HVAC, you got a 15K BTU AC in the rear, 13.5 in the front in the master bedroom, and a 35,000 BTU furnace. Now with the ACs, you get the Coleman Mach Whisper Quiet with the Blade Pure distribution system. What that does, just gives you about 30% more effectiveness on your AC. Really does a good job of cooling. Right here in the master bath, you'll see you got the pocket door, high-rise porcelain bowl with the foot flush, good linen storage there in the rear, and a walk-in shower with the glass enclosure, the bench seat when you want to shave your legs like I do on Tuesdays, corner notches, brushed nickel features, and nice solid surface countertop here with the undermounted sink and huge medicine cabinet with the big giant window because I have a huge head. What do you say we take a look at the master bedroom? Because to me, the master bedroom in any RV should be the sanctuary space. And right up here in the premium fifth wheel of the Keystone Cougar, you're going to notice good headroom, even better space. You got your chest of drawers over here for storage, mirrored ward in the front cap, as well as more storage doors and washer dryer prep, and a king size bed nestled in its own slide with, guess what? Storage underneath, windows on both sides, TV prep over here with the Key TV multi-source connection, and the inverted outlets right there because this does come with the solar flex. You can get the 200 or the 400, just one's more stronger than the other, but you get to harness the power of the sun to run the lights and some of the outlets because the inverter is also on this coach. All in all, the 368 MBI, the Keystone Cougar, is a great family or couple coach. If you want to entertain, need additional space, maybe you got the grandkids that want to come visit you and you need that sleeping space, or say, hey man, we got a family of 8, we need to put them somewhere. 368 MBI is built for you. Beautiful on the inside, let's go check out the outside. The beauty continues on the outside with this 368 MBI. Let me tell you, looks great inside, looks great set up at the campsite. So what do you say we talk about some of these outside features? Let's start right up front. You got that key shield on this, which is an automotive coating on this painted fiberglass end cap that molds all the way around to the sides of this beautiful coach. Got that extra barrier in there to help with the temperature control as well as the insulation. When you're hitching up, the thing I like about the Road Armor hitches, that pivoting head right there really absorbs the shocking while going down the road. And of course, the hitch vision will make hitching up pretty easy, as does the battery disconnect, aka the Giggy box right there in the storage compartment with your spare tire. Come around over here to the campsite, you're gonna see those tinted sealed safety windows, the beautiful graphics on that fiberglass exterior of this 5-sided aluminum superstructure RV that is your next vacation home. 60 pounds of LP on this bad boy, twin 30s on both sides, plus heated and finished off pass-through storage, heated and enclosed underbelly, 4-point automatic leveling. But with me, if you're gonna have any type of bunk RV, you gotta have the external kitchen. Keystone, with the way this is laid out, was able to get you that right here with the Capital Grill. And the best part about the grill, it's under one of our 2 beautiful large awnings with the LED light strip. Those are the Solera 12-volt arms, which they have the adjustable pitch, they got the rain sensor, the whole 9. It's awesome. Power if you wanna set up or plug in your boom box, charge your cell phone, the whole 9. Oversized door leading into the main entry point, as well as the 4-step solid step. Now we come over to what's going to keep you not only stable at the campsite, but stable on the road. You got the 15-inch aluminum rims on this, Dexter Easy Lube axles with the Road Armor suspension. Really going to help absorb that shock while going down the road. Another great spot to chill, right here under the second awning on the 368 MBI. You got your sewer hose storage underneath. Right there on the rear too, we got that ladder that's mounted so you can get up on the roof, check all the seals. Plus we got the backup camera prep, and on the off-camp side is where you're gonna find your external command center. Plus for tank sizes, you got an 81-gallon fresh, 76-gallon gray, 38-gallon black. Add that to the Solar Flex, you're gonna be able to go off-grid whenever you want and keep things nice, how you like them, inside your brand new 368 MBI. But I gotta tell you, if you've been looking for that RV that you can call your home away from home, that really does give you the best of both worlds. If you're an active couple, you want space to entertain, or you got family and you need that sleeping space. At 39 feet 4 inches long, 11,800 pounds, the Keystone Cougar 368 MBI really does check all the boxes for what you need. And the best part about it is you get the Keystone name, the quality, the beauty. The more best part is if you want it, we got it at Camping World and you can come get it right now.